All right, class, make sure you turn in your projects on the way out. Hand your projects, your essays in on the way out.
Here you go, Miss Jessie.
Thank you. Shanice?
Yes?
I really like the font you used for the title. This is a good job.
Thank you, Miss Jessie. Thank you.
I look forward to reading it this weekend. I look forward to it.
Have a good weekend.
3 days later.
All right, class, I'm going to be handing back last week's project.
Ooh, I just know I got it.
Shanice, I didn't get your project, so if you don't want to lose any points, I'm going to need you to have that printed out and on top of my desk by 4 p.m.
What you mean you ain't get my paper?
I didn't get your paper.
What do you mean you didn't get my paper? Because I know you got my paper. You complimented it when I left last week. So don't try to sit there with your hot Cheeto, Timu blazing, built like a Ford F-150 looking self. Cause I know I gave you my paper. Don't play in my face. Do not play in my face. No, what happened was you misplaced it. Just like you misplaced the deodorant every single day you come into work. Yeah, I said it. Whole class is tired of smelling you. Can't even keep a man for 2 weeks. Talk about something. You can't get my paper. You ain't get my paper. No, you got my paper. You just misplaced it. Just like you misplaced your deodorant. So don't play with me. And before you even try to call my mama, I don't care because I gave you the wrong number anyways. Spending money for your field trips on the calendar. I'm going back to bed. Sweet. Thanks, Mom. Wow. Bow. Bow. Ayy. Do the thing, do the thing, do the thing. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Hey, honey, just letting you know dinner's ready.
Subscribe. I'ma put a roach in your mouth when you sleep. Hey!
Bro, did you just put a hole in the wall?
No.
Mom's gonna kill you, dude.
You think that'd be the case, huh?
Think? No, I know for a fact. You're done for.
Well, we'll see about that.
Yeah, okay. Oh, here she comes now.
Lil Dank, did you put a hole in my wall?
No, I did not.
I told you.
Okay, I believe you. Who did it?
Bruh.
It was Claire. I knew it. Claire!
You did it.
Did what? What are you talking about?
Wait, Mom. Whatever it is, I did not do it, okay? I don't know what you're accusing me of. I've been in here all day playing Fortnite, okay? Mom, I just need you to calm down. Take a deep breath. Okay, we can just figure this out. Let's fix it.
Oh my God, I live with a real life supervillain.
Follow. I'ma put a roach in your mouth when you sleep. Hey!
It make no sense that this school is calling up to my job and I gotta come pick you up early because you up there acting a fool.
I didn't even do nothing. That teacher be lying.
Now, why would the teacher sit there and lie?
Ooh, you just hit a police car.
Lil Dank, you better not say a word, okay? Don't say nothing.
In a rush today, ma'am?
Officer, I told her she was going too fast, but she don't listen to me because I'm a kid.
Lil Dank, shut your mouth, okay? Mom's gonna talk to the police officer.
I like your sparkling badge, officer. Don't worry, I'm okay, because I was wearing my seatbelt.
Miss, you didn't use your blinker.
Oh, really, officer? I'm sure I did. You must have just not have seen it. Officer, my mama don't use blinkers because it's nobody's business where she's going.
Lil Dank, if you don't shut up, I'm going to shut you up myself.
Hey, kid, does your mom always talk to you like this? Oh, no, officer. She only talks like this when she's been drinking.
Wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly. Ooh.
Hello?
Where the hell is you at? Did I not tell you to be home by 11? Did I not tell you to be home by 11? And who are you hanging out with that they mama is letting you stay there that late anyways? Bring your ass home now.
Mama, calm down.
Who is you talking to? You can't be talking to me. I will beat your ass and not hide the Bible because I know God is watching.
Last time I checked, this wasn't a three-way call. Clearly, I'm talking to you. Let me know. Tell me where you at so I can call you an ambulance because you need to go to the hospital because you're not in your right mind right now.
You can't be in your right mind right now.
I'm perfectly sane. You're the one that's literally crashing out right now.
Oh, lady, bring your ass home.
Bring your tail home right now. I'm telling you, you got until yesterday to walk through this door. Mom, who is you talking to? I'm gonna be home when I be home. The fuck? Let me tell you something, okay? Let me tell you something. You better repent for every single sin that you ever committed before you come home. Because no, not even the moment, the millisecond that you walk through that door, you are going to meet our Father who are in heaven, okay? Okay, is that supposed to scare me or something? Because as soon as I walk through the door, we ain't even got to speak. You could get this 6-piece knuckle combo with the side of my foot up your ass. She hung up on me. She hung the phone up on me. Yo, mama let you talk to her like that? Hell no. Bro, my mama would destroy me if I talked to her like that. Hey, who lost their phone? Oh, you're foul. You are actually out of pocket. Let me call my mama to make... Hey, let me see what that phone look like. Oh my God, that's mine. Just wait until she walked through the door. Oh, just wait until she walks through this door.